So now that the House of Man floors have been freshly mopped and cleaned, I do occasionally like to dust them. So I have another package from Amazon, and it is a microfiber floor mop. So let's open this up and check it out. So in this house, for whatever reason, there's a lot of dust. And it don't matter how much you clean everything, it seems like 2 or 3 days later, everything is just about as dusty as when you originally cleaned it. And I don't know why. It's just the way this old house is. So I like to, since I installed a brand new floor in my laboratory, I like to try to keep the house a little bit more cleaner than I would normally would. Try to preserve the finish of what is not protected by the glass chair mats. So in the box, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 towelettes. And these are microfiber. So they'll pick up, pretty good amount of dirt and dust and lint and hair and grit and whatever. So we have a handle kit. We'll take these out of the bags. And remembering from my last video that the handle is most likely reverse thread, or in this case it looks like a normal thread. So you get 3 sections, and 3 of them are black and 1 of them is gray. I would assume that the gray one goes on the mop head. So we'll just go ahead and screw this together. And depending on how long you want it, you can have the end piece at any of the lengths that you would prefer. So it's easy to extend and shorten the handle, in case you want to do the walls or the ceiling, or need to crouch under there or whatever. Whatever you need to do to reach what you're trying to do. So now we have the handle assembled, and you can put the comfort grit, either down here or you can leave it up here. So depending on how of a wide stance you have, you can have the comfort grip. And then here is the head. So we'll go ahead and it looks like these just lift up, these little grippers. So we'll lift them up and unlock them. And then we'll go ahead and put a mop head down. So we'll put it on a flat surface, evenly space it, and then cinch the clamps down. That's that. So this has a nice pivoting handle, so it goes, front to back and side to side, so you can maneuver it. So since this is still brand new, it'll take a little while for this little joint to wear in. And the company claims that the mop head is weighted such so that it would always remain flat. So if it gets upright, it returns to the normal operating position. So we'll go ahead and put this in, and we'll loosen up this little lock here so we can insert the handle and screw it down. And then we'll lock the handle in place with the lock, and now the dust mop is ready for use. So you just use it just like any other mop, just swish it around. pick up all that nice dust. And of course, to help you out with picking up dust more efficiently, you can spray the mop head with some kind of, you know, like a pledge or a light mist of water or anything else. So you can use these mop heads for any number of reasons. For me, one head can be used for, you know, dusting the floors, or, you know, lightly cleaning the brand new floor that I have in the laboratory, or using a mop head for glass cleaner, so I can clean the glass floor mats. So let's go over into the laboratory and give the glass chair mats a little shine. We'll see it in the lab. So now that we are moved into the laboratory here, we'll go ahead and start dusting the glass chair mats here to get the dust off. Dust off the rest of the floor here, and then we can go ahead and give the glass floor mats a little cleaning with a little HD glass premix glass cleaner. So we'll just spray the head here. And now we can clean the mats nice, and we don't have to bend down and clean them. So there, nice and clean. So we'll go ahead and take a quick look on the Amazon site where I bought this. So there you have it, a little dust mop that's multi-purpose. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.